And I want to
Cool.
dig a little bit into the details of, because one of the things that we talked about in your last podcast episode is that you guys I love how you have set your business up. In fact, if you haven't listened to David's last interview, you should go listen to that one first, or at least right after this one. And I'll put a link to it down below also, or in the show notes. But one of the things that I love is that you've set your business up. And again, this is a relatively small laundromat. It's not in a big,
Yeah.
big giant urban centers or anything like that. But you're
No.
running it very professionally. And I
Thank you.
loved that. That's what psyched me up about your episode when you came on before. And I think that has been a huge part of your growth in this pickup and delivery service, is that you are conducting yourselves professionally as your business, but you're also like portraying yourselves to clients and customers and potential customers as a very professional laundry service company. Again, we've been talking a lot about what exactly you've been doing, and you've been kind of systematizing this for yourself, which has been very cool.